Still struggling to make money online? Here are 5 things you could be doing wrong. And stick around to the end because we will be sharing one extra huge tip that can help you make money even better, whether online or offline. You've probably seen a lot of make money videos. A lot of these videos unfortunately share untrue ways to make money online. Not all, but a lot of them. There are also some ways that are actually real, but just time consuming, and to be honest, may not work for everyone. You might be better off learning a new skill in order to make even more money instead. So what are ways you've heard that aren't scams? Tell me if I missed something, or in case you know something I don't. Anyway, I'm sure there are many more, but these seem to be the most popular ones. Believe it or not, survey taking for money isn't a scam either, but it's one of those ways that can be time consuming and might not be for everyone. So if you're not sure if a make money online method you're following is real or worth it, a quick search on Google, Reddit, Quora, or other forums will give you the answer. Let's say you have actually found a way to make money. A proven business model perhaps, but you watch more videos on making money online, feel interested in that, and try that new way instead of sticking with the first one you found, or at least continuing to do both. As with anything, consistency is key. Without consistency, you'll miss a lot of opportunities. While it's possible to be successful without consistency, it's usually short-lived. It won't last. So whether it's your branding, your effort, your good communication, your drive, your posting, stay consistent. Keep going, but just make sure it's in the right direction. And this is actually one of the main reasons why people end up not being consistent with their work. Because a lot of times when we search for ways to make money online, we want to earn money now, right? But thinking things will be easy or that you will be able to get rich fast, no matter what business model or make money online method you're going for, will just get in the way of your success. So keep that in mind. While there are advantages to playing it safe, I'm sure you also know that you can lose chances to get better opportunities. You really never know unless you try. Don't be afraid to try new tactics or ask friends for help. Share your work on social media. Some people get their first few customers because of friends and family. Have money to invest? Don't be afraid to try. Just make sure you are investing it wisely too. Now, whether you're selling a product, service, or growing an audience for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, if you don't know your target audience, you won't get very far. Similar to being consistent, you might do well for a while, but you will eventually become stuck. You need to know your target audience. Who are the people you're aiming for? Because once you really know who you are catering to, it will be so much easier to grab their attention. But first, what is a target audience? A target audience is a specific group of people who will respond the most positively to your products, services, and content. The people who will be the most interested. For example, if you're selling keto diet recipes, your target audience will be people who are interested in following keto diet. Gaming content, people who love gaming. But that's just the basics. To seriously find out who your target audience is, you have to spend time researching. Where are they from? What's their age? What's their monthly income? Job? This is the reason why you see some of these questions in surveys given by companies. Now, you don't exactly have to create your own survey, but like I said, research until you have an idea what the answers to these questions could be. And then take it even further. What's a day in their life like? What information do they look for? Where do they go to find what they are looking for? What are their fears and goals? And make sure to write it all down. This is called a customer persona. It's a made-up person that represents the majority of your target audience. Because once you have a clearer idea of who your target audience really is and put yourself in their shoes, you will be able to better reach and cater to them. Your product, service, and content will more closely match their wants and needs. But be genuine in wanting to satisfy your customers, because if you don't, they will be able to see through you. Plus, things will flow much smoother if you're sincere. Want a full tutorial on how to know your target audience and create a customer persona? Comment down below to let us know.